Random thought is random, but because Tails can understand binary code, both NCC send love notes to each other while using that form of language. What's that? You coding some game or something? Sonic? It's nothing! I'm just only working on a project. What's eating about? I took CC to Age of Ultron. What's wrong with that? Oh, you were too busy making out with your Wobago that you couldn't pay attention to the movie? No, she developed a major crush on Ultron. Happy birthday, Tails! For me? And they even have laces! But I don't know how to tie shoes. Don't sweat it, buddy. All I need to do is... Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Darktails here, and today I would like to thank you for watching this video. And yes, I know it's a short one, and hopefully I can find something more entertainment just to give you something, well, just keeping you entertained, because I've been non-stop busy with school, all the school work, and the reason why I made this video today for comic dubs is because this is the fifth anniversary that's already been passed. But again, I really thank you so much for supporting this channel and video, because you guys are awesome. Just to hit that like button, subscribing. I'm not too sure about comments, but please leave a comment below if you want to see more Sonic, Tails, or Tails and CC comic dubs later, because I want to know your feedback so that I can continue on this work and project. And yeah, it's really amazing just to keep this this animation up, well, including voice acting, because not gonna lie, I love voice acting, including pretty much on animation too. So I think that is it for now. But again, if you want to see more of this, please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, leave a like, and make sure to hit that bell button on your right, and make sure to have a positive thinking way, because I feel very generous today, because I'm gonna be doing maybe another video or live stream coming up soon, or I can start with Tails TSR, the World of Chaos, on the next episode. And again, I'll try my best just to keep the episodes up and running, so that you guys can understand of what is going on to them. So again, thank you so much for watching. Have a good sorry I don't want to speak so much faster, so I just need to keep this steady. So again, I hope you all have a good rest of your day, and as always, Mr. Darktails is out here. Take care.